Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's video I will try to explain how we can perform electrically cylinder cutout test. Some people call it injector cutout test at the Komatsu wheel loader. Already I have made one video about the password and the buttons which are uses to enter the screen where you perform all given functions of this machine. If you people didn't see this video before, it's my suggestion you have watched that video first by clicking on the this I button or the link down in the description. Let's go inside the cabin where I will demonstrate this test. So here now I am the inside the cabin of the this Komatsu wheel loader for WA470. So these are the buttons. Two buttons are here. Actually, these are four buttons. This is execution button, or this is the enter button. This is a forward, and this one is a previous, and this is a next button. These four buttons we use to operate the screen. Okay, so it is a little difficult to combine. I can show you the screen and these buttons. So just only I told you when I press these two buttons at a time, so I can enter this screen. 1 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, for going next cursor, next, if I want to go next digits, so I use this execution button. I press this one, so you can say I reach to the next digits. I want to here write 4, so by using these two buttons I can increase or decrease the digits number. So now I can use this one upside, so our this can 1 2 3 4. If I put 1, so this is my code. I put the code to enter this screen for the functions, special function. This is code for the special function. So I use this button, press this button, so then I will reach to the this screen. This is right electrical field, and I press this button, next. So I will reach a cylinder cutout. I reach a cylinder. So by using this button now I select this button. So now I will reach on the, I press execution button. This is the cutout cylinder test. So I push that this is cylinder 1 2 3 4 5 6 cylinder. So I can cut the cursor where the cursor is blinking when I press execution button. So my first cylinder will cut. Okay, when I press again this button, so next I go to the next one. So my second cylinder I can cut. Similarly I cut one by one. I can test the cylinders are okay or no okay. So which cylinder I will cut, the cylinder which I want to cut, I press execution button, and there you can see this uh, cylinder number 6 now is in cut position. So downside is a no, you can see is as a black, and this cylinder number 6 is blinking. It's mean cylinder number 6 is cut. If I press the execution button, snow is to become normal. Also change the machine when cut this cylinder. So be with me, and I'm going to start the cursor is blinking on the cylinder number 1. So when I press again execution button, you can listen, the sound is different. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you listen now the sound is changed. And cylinder number 1 is cut. So I go to the cylinder number 2. So now I cut this one. You can when I cut this cylinder is changing, is sound change and also it's will start blinking. Now cylinder number 2 is blinking and you can see is also sound is changed. So it's mean my cylinder number 2, injector number 2 is this time is not working, is cut. Again press execution button. Now the cylinder again working. Now I go to the injector number or cylinder number 3. I cut this one. Now I cut. Now sound changes. Mean this injector is okay. This injector have no problem. I again cut this one. Go number 4. I cut cylinder number this and you can say cylinder number 4 is now in a cut position. Now I go to the cylinder number 5. So I cut the cylinder number 5. Now again machine is a change. Okay. So sound is change. It's mean this cylinder is also okay. Now I'm going to cylinder number 6. So now cylinder number 6 is cut. It's not working. So my sound is also changed now. So in this way we can check the our injectors and all injectors. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channels and share this video to your friend. If you people have any comments, please write down in the comment box